Welcome to this tutorial on how to dollar cost average in Schwab. Dollar cost averaging is an investment strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This method helps to reduce the impact of volatility on your overall investment and can be a good option for long-term investors. To begin, log into your Schwab account and navigate to the Trade section. Once there, look for the option to set up a recurring investment. Here, you can choose how much money you want to invest and how often you want to invest it. Common intervals include weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Be sure to have a specific investment in mind, such as a mutual fund or stock, that you want to add to your portfolio through this strategy. After selecting your investment amount and frequency, review your settings to ensure everything is correct. You will also need to confirm the source of funds for your investment, which is typically linked to your Schwab brokerage account. Once you complete this process, Schwab will automatically invest the specified amount at the chosen intervals, allowing you to stick to your dollar cost averaging strategy easily. Finally, remember to monitor your investments regularly. While dollar cost averaging helps manage risk, staying informed about market conditions and the performance of your investments is essential. Be ready to adjust your strategy if your financial situation or investment goals change. Happy investing!